video, I'm excited to share my review of the Bellicon 44-inch Foldable Rebounder. If you're considering adding a low impact and fun workout to your routine, stay tuned. If you haven't already heard, rebounding is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up while being gentle on your joints. It also supports your lymphatic system and improves your circulation. I've been bouncing on my Bellicon for 4 years now, and I'm going to share my experience with you. When customizing my Bellicon, I opted for the 44-inch foldable frame with the comfort mat and the medium bungees. I did originally start with the strong bungees, and I'll go over that in a little bit. So with this comfort mat, it really makes it a bit more spacious, so I can do wider movements, and I feel that it is definitely more comfortable than the original. Because it is foldable, it really is a huge plus for those of us that like to travel with our rebounder, or if you like to take it outside on a sunny day, you can take it on your deck, your porch, your lawn, wherever. Or if you have limited space, it's very easy and convenient to just tuck away under your bed or in a closet. And it is very easy. All you do is pull it straight towards you, and then it collapses down. And when you want to bring it back up, it snaps directly in place. Super easy, even if you have nails. When I started my journey with Bellicon, I chose the strong bungees, even though they had recommended the medium for my weight and what I was looking to achieve, which was to stay fit at that point. I did think that I was going to only be using it for more higher intensity workouts. And when I got it, I did high intensity workouts several times a week, which was fantastic. But I also incorporated health bouncing in the morning and throughout the day. This worked out great for a few years, but I often thought back to that test and the fact that they had recommended the medium bungees. So this year, I decided to try out the medium to see if I noticed the difference or if I preferred them. When they came, I swapped them out and I started with my health bounces in the morning, and immediately I noticed there was a deeper bounce, which I absolutely love because, as you know, that's where the magic happens. So now I typically start my day with the health bounce, and I sporadically do the health bounce throughout the day to get my circulation moving, as well as giving me an energy boost, which is always something needed when we're sitting at the desk or working on the computer. The quality of the Bellicon is top notch. It provides an exceptional bounce. Whether I'm just doing my cardio or bouncing to music, the rebounder feels incredibly smooth and is gentle. The comfort mat provides that extra cushioning, which I mentioned earlier, making it more comfortable for the wider range of movements. I use it absolutely every single day, and it is still in excellent condition. They also offer a lifetime warranty on all of their frames, which says a lot. Now let's break down some of the pros and cons. Okay, for the pros, it's excellent quality. As they say, it's the Mercedes-Benz of rebounders. It's got a comfortable mat, it's portable, easily stored away, adjustable bungee tension. It's fully customizable in terms of which frame you select. The colors of the mat are customizable, as well as the bungee colors. It's versatile as well for low or high impact workouts. Now for the cons. The only con I see here would be that the price point may be higher than the other rebounder brands out there. Overall, I highly recommend the Bellicon 44-inch Foldable Rebounder, especially with the comfort mat. It's a fun and effective way to stay active. If you found this review helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips, rebounder workouts, as well as reviews. And let me know in the comments if you've tried a Bellicon or if you own one. Thanks and happy bouncing!